Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Microsoft Store not working on Windows 11. So with that being said, let's get started. Microsoft Store is a place from where you can download application for your Windows operating system. However, due to some reason, Microsoft Store might not work. So to fix it, you can follow this troubleshooting method. First of all, check your internet speed. In order to download application, you need active internet connection on your system. So to check the internet speed, simply open any browser, visit fast.com and check your internet speed. If you have good internet speed and if you're not able to use Microsoft Store, then you can simply reset Microsoft Cache. For that, press Window R to open Run dialog box and here simply type WS reset. Then click on OK button and this will reset Microsoft Store application. Now to download application using the Microsoft Store, you have to log in with your Microsoft account. If you're still facing the issue, then you have to check your date and time. For that, open settings, click on time and language option, here click on date and time, and here under additional settings, click on sync now. This will sync time, date and reason from the Windows time server. Sometimes corrupted file can also affect your Microsoft Store application. So to fix it, you can repair your Microsoft Store application. For that, open settings, click on system, here look for system components and here you will find Microsoft Store. Simply click on this three dot icon, then click on advanced option and scroll down. Here you will find reset section. Simply click on repair button to repair Microsoft Store application. Once the repair process has been completed, you can click on reset. This will reset Microsoft Store application to the default state. Now to open Microsoft Store, here on the search option, search for Microsoft Store and open it. Sometimes Windows Update can also fix the issue. To update your Windows operating system, simply click on the search option, search for settings, open it, click on Windows Update, here click on check for updates, and if there is any available Windows update, download it and install it on your system. After that, restart your device. To restart your device, right click on start button, click on shutdown or sign out and here click on restart. So that's it. After following all this method, you should be able to use Microsoft Store on your Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.